Welcome to this no-nonsense unboxing and review of the Huawei Freebuds Pro 2. These are the second generation and there's a upgrade of the previous generation of the Huawei Freebuds Pro. Those were already good headphones. Let's see if these are even better than the previous ones. Now if we take them out of the box and compare them to the previous generation, we can see that the case has shrunken quite a lot. That is handy if you want them to carry them around in your pants. Even if you wear tight jeans, you will have no problem of putting them in your pants or in your pockets. They will definitely fit. And even though it is smaller, the battery is still pretty good for its size, so you won't have problems with that either. Now if we compare both earphones from both generations, we can see that the Freebuds Pro 2 compared to the Freebuds Pro now have more a seamlessly approach, because the previous version was like two separate pieces stitched together. Now it is one seamless whole unit, which looks way better in my opinion. It looks way more pro than the previous version. So that's nice to see that they actually paid attention to detail. Some of the specs are also improved. We have better drivers, more mics for better noise cancelling. So yeah, it is really an upgrade to the previous version, which is always nice to see. Here are the specs. You can pause it if you want, so you can read them at a slower pace, but I'm just gonna put them there so you can see them. Now if we listen to these earbuds, we can already tell that the bass has improved quite a lot. They use two drivers and it is a serious improvement. The bass is better, also LDAC support. This is an audio sample of the Huawei Freebuds Pro 2. Let me know how they sound in the comments. And you really notice it when you are listening to FLAC files or lossless files. You can really hear the difference because the bitrate is way higher. There's also a latency mode that works on both Huawei and non-Huawei phones, so I would definitely recommend these headphones to everybody.